Next, we're going to talk about assemble to project. This helps you improve inventory management by assembling to order only when it's required and enable other ways to customize projects. When you enter an assemble to order item on a project planning line, an assembly order is automatically created. The assembly order is based on the project planning line, and its lines are based on the item's assembly BOM. The quantity of components on the assembly BOM is multiplied by the order quantity. Business Central synchronizes item tracking between project planning lines and assembly orders. The feature integrates with warehouse management features to make assembly and shipping easier and ensure that the workflow from project assembly to delivery runs smoothly. You can use the explode BOM action in the project planning lines to convert the product into a set of components. As you can see in the screenshot to the left and on the bottom, you go to Actions, Functions, and Explode BOM. The quantity to assemble to order field isn't available for closed projects. For warehouse pick scenarios, the quantity to assemble to order can be either 0 or equal to the quantity. You can't mix assemble to order and assemble to stock on a project planning line. You have to create separate project planning lines if you wanted to do so. An assembly is included on sales invoices, but not its components. You can't edit the quantity to assemble to order field for billable lines. Also, make note that you can't enter a negative quantity in the quantity to assemble to order field. You also cannot undo an assembly. Order planning and the planning worksheet aren't affected because the job is the input for planning. The planning engine considers the assembly as demand.